Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Caregivers Touch. Today's video, I will unboxing this mini nebulizer from SURGITECH and I will show you how to use it. And before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed on this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. So this is my first mini nebulizer and I bought this through application, mall application, and I bought it just 495 pesos and the original price is like 600 pesos. So here's the mini nebulizer. And before that, this is not a sponsor. I just bought it on my pocket, from my pocket actually. And yeah, so it says this is the box. So SURGITECH mini nebulizer delivers aerosol medication therapy effectively and efficiently with clinical accuracy. So it easy to use with it's one button operation and ideal for all ages. The non-slip pads on the bottom ensure the unit will rest securely on any flat surface. All accessories are dishwasher safe and latex free. Never immerse the compressor in water. Compressor is not dishwasher safe. So it is FDA approved and ROHS compliant. So yeah, there's a mass children, mass adult mouthpiece, medicine atomizer, high atomizing, compressed air technology, and 3 years guarantee. So SURGITECH mini nebulizer, high nebulization performance, short inhalation time with compressed air technology with mouthpiece, adult and child mask. Can be disinfected, spare air filter, 3 years warranty. Okay, let's proceed. Let's open the box. Here's the compressor. It says that it's not suitable for dishwasher. Let's open this. Here's the compressor. Here's the mask. Here's the manual. Model NCll 004. This the guide for cleaning the nebulizer accessories. So let me put it there. And here's, I don't have any scissors before. Here's the filter. Is a nozzle. Here's for the baby mask and for the adult. Here's the tube for here. Let us try it. you'll put your medicine here. Since I don't have a sterile water or the saline solution or the PNSS solution, and your doctor will prescribe you what will you put here, not just a plain water. So I just put plain water just to demonstrate how will you use it, and yeah, so how the nebulizer works. So let's see. Let me try it. Now I just plug the compressor and let's see how it works, or if it really works. So here's the nozzle. Now it's really working. Some nebulizer doesn't really create sound much, so hindi siya maingay yung iba. And this one is like 7 out of 10. Parang ano siya, medyo maingay in my opinion, but it really works. You have to papahinga-hingi muna siya after 10 minutes bago magsagawa ulit ng another session about this, para hindi masira itong compressor niya, para mapakapagpahinga. So kung gusto mo concentrated yung usok yan, and you have to open this. You have to control the mix. See the difference? Mas malakas, mas mahina. So that's it for now, and again, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. And again, this is C of Caregivers Touch. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon, and stay safe. Bye.